Yo! Alright, hold on. Let me get the Discord up, bro. We are.
You're streaming?
Yeah, I got people. I don't know.
What you mean, like streaming? Oh, Discord streaming.
We already got people waiting in here. Tell. Yeah, everybody joining up, bro. Hold on. Alright, bad boys. We got hella people joining right now. Hold on. Alright, boys. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. Alright. So, what am I kind of looking at for today? So, immediately off the jump, like, market's coming higher at market open, right? Good morning. Good morning. What's up? Good morning. Should I wait for a couple more people to join in before get into it? Alright, so we already see that we got we're in a 4-hour gap right now, which is just kind of just sitting there in a 4-hour gap. I'm pretty sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but we have no news today. Oh no, we got new home sales at 10 a.m. So nothing crazy. It's orange folder, so don't even gotta worry about that. For FOMC member talks later today. Yeah. So nothing too crazy. I'm just putting it in my journal. It's fine. I'm finally like at the new setup. It's crazy. All right, I'm about to go over my bias in 1 second. Okay. All right. So yeah, like I was saying, we're in a 4-hour gap. See, bro. We're in a 4-hour gap, so we're looking to come higher today. It really depends. So if I go down to the 5-minute, of course we got accumulation right now, and some people could say like we swept buy side, but I doubt it, because this is a 5-minute accumulation. What do I preach all the time, bro? 5-minute accumulation, macro distribution, bro. That's how we're looking. So I'm low-key looking for longs today. Hopefully we can come like tap upon this like 5-minute gap right here, and then come higher from that. On NQ, we also did not even like make a divergence, so it's like, yeah, I doubt NQ would want to fill this. Let me check if it's not on the 1 hour too. It's so awkward like trading in a dorm, bro. Well, cause my dorm roommates, they know I trade, right? Because eventually, like, no, I don't trade gold, by the way. Like, they know I trade. Well, because eventually I'm not going to, like, hide it from them. They're going to see me on my setup every day, like 9:30, 10:30. So I'm like, yeah, I trade. And one of my other roommates, he option trades. So he's doing, like, option trades, but he's, like, looking throughout the day. So not exactly like Forex or futures. But yeah, and then my other boy, he does like long-term investing, so it's low-key like a stacked room. We're just all like doing our own thing, you know. Yeah, NQ definitely doesn't want to fill this whole thing, no doubt, bro. We're already coming into it, which I like. We took out a couple key levels. ES is still going higher, so like I'm not gonna lie. If we come and take out this buy side, I could be looking for shorts there, because we didn't even close below this, I guess, equilibrium of the accumulation zone. But I don't really like look at that, but it is an indicator that we probably come lower, right? So, but it looks like we're gonna come higher, maybe take out this buy side and come lower to then test this gap again. Because I'm thinking like we low-key might want to fill this gap on a 4-hour. So could come short, fill this gap on a 4-hour, and target this internal liquidity that we have, right? Because this wouldn't be the lowest point of liquidity, because we have all this internal liquidity down here as well. So we may want to like target all of those, but starting before all of that, I think we want to target this internal liquidity. Yeah, got like, what, 30 people in here right now? Nice, brother. Those are So this is ES, and I'm switching between ES and NQ. So ES is like it just follows the S&P 500, and NQ follows the Nasdaq. Alright. Again, it's 10 a.m. news, so like, I mean, hopefully we can get a play today. If we can, we're not gonna force anything. Yeah. It's crazy, guys. I'm actually in college. It don't feel like right. No, I don't do crypto. This is all. Everyone here pretty much trades futures, bro. This, yeah, I think we're definitely gonna probably come on here. You join up if you're not in here already. All right. I like the view. Like I have a window here. I'm gonna post it on my story, but I have like a window and it's actually like calm. It's low-key better than my other setup. I'm not gonna lie. Like it's everything's like more. I don't have to look around so much. I use Top Step. Yeah, I don't have to like break my neck to do something. Where's the Discord at? Ugh. Yo, y'all should drop a server boost, bro. Okay, we're just coming higher. You said, what's the app of the chart? This is Top Step. Like, Top Step has their own charts. Alright, so it looks like market is coming. I dead ass want to see shorts today. I really do. Let me put it on my phone. Yeah, if anyone has questions, just hit me up, bro. Literally just ask. I'm so like I know Loki gotta get to my DMs, bro. But that shit just been flooding. And I'm like, oh my goodness. Like I think it's like almost 100 DMs, bro. And I answer them in a more call. But don't worry, I got y'all. Alright, let me just write all of this down, like what's happening. See, everyone, like you should have a journal. Like as you're in your trade, you should be having this journal up, right? I know. I mean, sometimes you can do split screen. Even if you don't have two screens, bro, no excuse, bro. I was on my Chromebook in high school, literally having a split screen up. One side was like Top Step, but the other side was my journal, bro. Like during your trade, you have to like journal because your thoughts, bro. You're not going to remember your thoughts during the time. Like everything's happening so quick, you're not going to remember everything. You don't want to get faked out today. You really don't. Because there's going to be a lot of times for fake outs, a lot of questionable plays, you know, but we don't want to get faked out because that's just like tragic. I got faked out a couple of days ago, I'm pretty sure. That shit was annoying. Like right here, you just wait. We just wait. The bottom, oh, these lows at the bottom of the accumulation zone are looking nice to take. Yeah, low-key equal on the relative on the correlated indexes. I want to see us take out this buy side liquidity. I really do. I really do, guys. Maybe, bro, if we come all the way up to this gap though, that would be crazy. That's a 1 hour gap. I could low-key see us going up higher. That's not unrealistic, bro. I can see us coming higher to that gap, right? I can see us coming higher to this gap, taking out this buy side liquidity, probably having a sell off to one of these lows. But there's so many fake outs happening right now. You just gotta be careful and patient. Like, you gotta come into the market, especially on Mondays. Come into the market like you're not taking a trade, especially on Mondays, because you just came back from the weekend. You probably all excited, all jittery to take a trade, but no, you just gotta let the trade come to you, bro. Like, I know it sounds cliche, but I'm being so dead ass. Like, you have to make sure your setup is screaming your name, and if it's not, then we come back tomorrow. That's the amazing thing about trading. Like, you come back tomorrow, and there might be an A+ setup, right? There really might be. We just have to remember in the back of our head that there's always another trading day ahead of us. There's always another A+ setup. We have to literally trust God that He will bring another A+ setup to us, right? And once we do that, I feel like that's immediately how you take down over trading, over leveraging, revenge trading, FOMO. That's how you get rid of all of that, by literally just putting your trust in God. Oh my goodness, that's like the best thing you can do in trading. And I'm like not even just saying that. It's like for real. Not only that, but it builds your discipline as well, which is another big piece in trading, as you guys all know. So yeah, I mean, but overall, I feel like this is really just a retracement just to fill that 4-hour inverse, just for that fill that 4-hour gap. I really do feel like it is, because it's already like looking beautiful. Let me check out NQ. We don't want to get stuck on the lower time frame, because that's one thing I've been noticing. Like NQ, I feel like it's going to be lagging today. We may take a trade on NQ because, look, I mean, we still got relative, like, to the correlated index, ES, we have buy side and a fair value gap, right? It's not an hourly fair value gap because, we just don't have an hourly fair value gap unless you're looking up here. Wait, no, it is hourly. I stand corrected, bro. So, boom. Literally even better. We have 2 relative fair value gaps on both indexes, right? Not only that, but we have relative buy side on both indexes. If we check out the 5-minute, we have relative buy side on ES, relative buy side on NQ. Makes it even like a stronger draw. So I'm really thinking like, for shorts today, and it would go with the trend. The overall trend right now is bearish. Of course, we don't want to get married to our bias. It's just all these things lining up are very good, for our conviction. Because other than that, like if we were to take longs, I really don't know how far we would like come lower. If we had any potential manipulation, right? I can only see manipulation for later in the day for shorts. Alright. Again, this can be another potential fake out, right? We're seeing we have change in state on the 1-minute, right? And then we're probably going to come higher, right? But change in state on the 1-minute is not valid, right? Change in state on the 1-minute is not valid. Maybe on the 2-minute, but the 1-minute, you got to be careful. You really do. Like, that's why I'm waiting for, like, us to at least tap on an order block of some sort, like, maybe the top of this accumulation, right? Like up here, just this general buy side. If we can at least touch that, because we also got this order block here. So just being careful. Again, if it's not screaming my name, I don't care if I'm not taking it, right? It's like a girl, bro. It's like, are you gonna chase that girl, or are you gonna let that girl come to you? Coming from a light skin, by the way. Coming from a light skin. Bro, the amount of free. No, I'm not even gonna go into that because I'm focused. But like, focused. The girls will always be there, bro. I'm not focused on the girls. This is just a micro SMP, just type in, yeah. I'm on minis right now. So it's just ES and NQ, but you can go into micros. It's just MES, like micro, M for micro, and then ES. And same thing with NQ, M for micro, and then NQ. Hey guys, if we don't take a trade today, we don't take a trade. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I'd rather not take a trade than lose money. I like how we kind of are respecting this right here. Again, I want to see us take these levels. Like, yeah, we took some relative south side, right? But we didn't really take a key level, which I don't like. It's just not enough for me to get in. It's really not. It's only 947 too. I don't know, guys. We have change in state on the 1 minute, which I don't really look at. Lowkey changing. We had displacement on the 2 minute. Maybe if we can get a retracement to a continuation confluence, I'll be looking to enter. But is ES lagging or leading? Oh shit. ES is low-key leading or lagging. Yeah. I don't know, boys. Might be one of those days, bro. Cause nothing here is valid for me. I mean, yes, it's looking clean, don't get me wrong, but I want to see us take out more, you know? Like, we got this gap right here. Can we do something with that? I know we tapped into it, but like, we gonna do anything else, bro? Alright, we have displacement, which is nice, and we're having a little retracement to something. But if we don't retrace to like at least up here, bro. Yeah, we gotta retrace. If we get a real clean retracement from this order block, right? But that's a 2 minute order block, so it's not even like, you know, it's not even that prominent, you know. Yeah, if we can disrespect this. If we don't disrespect this, I'll hop in. Yeah, no, we low key. I mean, we filled it. I'm not gonna lie, we did fill it. Can we just keep pushing higher, please? Alright. So, disrespected that. I'm probably hopping. This is very low risk.
Order filled.
Very low risk. And if we lose this, we lose this, bro. Because, I mean, we are coming to another continuation confluence. This is technically an order block. But I'm going to just keep it very low risk because the probability of this, bro. Again, might be like a early entry. Fuck, am I on the right account? Yes, I am. Okay. Cause I have to trade my funded today since they're still processing my payout. Keeping this very low risk. Because again, it might just be one of those fake outs, and if it is, it's still low risk play. Like if it's low risk, high reward, I'll take it. Because I mean, we are coming into macro, but is still a chance for retracement for that first 2 minutes. coming into that second minute of macro, I really like that. Might just enter another
Order
contract.
filled.
Still low risk even with 2 contracts, which is nice. Like, I'm willing to lose 300 on this account, and if I do, then I do, you know. Pretty tight stop loss, I'm not gonna lie. It would be better if we got in on this retracement. Yeah, that might cut us low key. Yeah, that's gonna take us.
Order filled.
Yeah. I low key expected, but do have this internal liquidity, this buy side liquidity after that. But hey, low risk, literally a part of the game, bro. Look, you gotta look for this second entry. Not right now, but I mean, we tapped upon this, which is real nice. Again, might just been an early entry. I want to see if we have anything on NQ. NQ is low-key choppy as fuck. Low-key didn't even look at NQ. We have very good AMD structure still playing out though. I would like to catch this manipulation to distribution move right now. So macro's low-key chopping, but it's a part of the game though. Like, literally, not everything's gonna be perfect. I just don't like how an NQ is like low-key just chopping and not really doing anything while ES is setting up, right? I really like how we're looking on ES, but we might even want to come higher before we sell, because I'm no doubt we're gonna have a sell-off today, no doubt. Like, 10 a.m. news is just orange folder, so I'm not even like too heavy on that. But we're definitely building room for a change in state right here on the 5 minute. I really do like that right now. But again, I mean, it was a very low risk play, so I mean, shit, might as well take it. You know, that was a good play. I mean, I'm only going to take plays that I think are look good, so there's no regrets on that play. I mean, saw a 2 minute change in state, displacement. We came back to an order block. It's all good. Yeah, definitely some consolidation. We might. Like, low-key market might want to just wait until that 10 a.m. hits. We're also on this is the eval right now, because I can't trade on my XFA while a PAL is like transferring. So, I'm just gonna run this up. But low-key a good way to get back into the market though. We low-key manipulated on NQ. Like, the fact that we're in this gap is low-key fucking us up, bro. Got this high here. It would be nice to take out. It's really just a matter of when do we want to come lower. But again, if we don't see any more entries, I just call it a day. And that's completely okay, bro. I mean, losses are a part of trading. If you don't know that, then and you're expecting a win every single day, I don't know. You're not really gonna get too far with that mentality. Of course, you know that we aim for wins, we shoot for wins for the perfect setups, and we can take them. But again, this is just a game of higher probability, and the only way to get to the higher probability is by having your edge, right? If you just follow your edge, you have the high probability, and it still doesn't play out, man. Shit. You know, just let it be. I mean, again, like I said, this is not going to be the last day that I'm able to trade, right? I don't have to make however X amount of dollars today, you know. Kind of have to just not care about these losses, right? As long as you're taking your A+ setup and not going away from your rules, then that's all trading is. I mean, that's what a profitable trader, I feel like, is. And then, like, when you really start, I feel like, bro, when you get that, you get that payout, it's hard to be mad when you got, you know, X amount of dollars coming to your account, bro. Coming to, like, your actual bank account. You know? I mean, the worst case scenario, if we don't see nothing, then I'll just go throughout my day, man. And have a great day. Yeah, I'm looking for these shorts still. I mean, see, I love how I said, like, there's no way we can't become a short, bro. It's really just a matter of time. I mean, session ends at, like, AM session ends, like, at noon, I guess. Then it goes to PM. And then PM session ends at 4:30. But I don't trade PM, I just trade AM. Like, I love how we're coming higher. I really do. And this might be a later move. Not even gonna lie, I might be in the middle of a trade and then have to take y'all with me on my walk to class. Cause your boy already got, like, it's like academic orientation that I gotta go to. I gotta be there by 11. It's like a 20-minute walk. Does anyone have questions, bro? Let me know. I'm always down. You need help splitting your orders? So, if you're in a buy position, press sell. Like, on a contract, and it'll take out one contract. If you're in a sell position, just buy. Alright. Selling and buying back your positions. That's what I'm saying, bro. Y'all gotta be, like, low-key do your research, bro. Y'all don't know what trading is, buying and selling, bro. No diss, I'm not hating. It's just like, come on. I love how we tap into this hourly gap, bro. What I was looking for. I'm gonna post this live recap and y'all replay it, bro. I want to see this hourly gap taken out. Feel me? Hourly gap took out buy side liquidity. This would be a good entry, but I want to wait till we actually have an entry. You know, it'll be a great early entry. Could bottom tick, but we're not looking for bottom ticks. We're looking for good motherfucking entries. Motherfreaking. Motherfrig. I want to see us close under this, bro. That would be nice. We do have change in state down here, though. So if we just come lower to that, this place, come back higher into a continuation confluence, and then take out the bottom calculation zone, and then come lower to this 4-hour gap. Oh my gosh, that would just be beautiful. But your boy can only dream. Your boy can only dream. Bro, I swear, if I get caught lagging eating a banana on camp, that's one thing I like about this school, or I guess the predicament I was put in, because I'm literally a 2-minute walk Not even. It's like a 1 minute walk to the dining hall. Bro, that's like the best thing, bro. Cause they're open like all the one. It's like the best one on campus, bro. And I just found out you can take these like blue containers, you like scan a QR code to sign out. You got 3 days to return it, and it's like a to-go box, bro. You take whatever, bro. Oh my goodness, the way I just been taking like oranges and stuff and bananas and putting it in our mini fridge, and just like stocking up, bro. It's crazy. Yeah, alright, so we're looking for like more of a valid entry here. I want to see probably a divergence between these highs. If we do, disrespect doesn't come higher, that would mark a high time frame change in state. That means I would look not be trading no more. Kind of really want to see that divergence from yes, higher, higher, high. I love how we're pushing lower from this. Again, could have been more patient today. I'm not gonna lie, but this is also like a later move. We have 2 higher highs on both of the indexes, so no SMT. No SMT, bro. We are coming lower on ES, like crazy lower. We're definitely pushing lower on ES. Delete some of this stuffs. And we did build 5-minute equal lows version. Would be very nice to take out. Like the way we're setting up is too clean. Like I don't know what else we would want to take out. Like Asia highs. We're not taking out Asia highs. That'd be way too overextended. I doubt it. But we may want to fill this inverse though. May want to. I'm not gonna lie. Because what is this? Retracement. We're coming higher to retrace to continue the continuation lower. Continue the continuation. There's so many fake outs. Oh my goodness. So many fake outs right now. No. Bro, I love honeydew. I really do. Like the fruit, the melon. What's your favorite fruit? I'm interested in knowing. A lot of people like weird stuff. Pineapple, ribeye. Okay. Not a bad answer. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna hate on that answer. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Alright, come on, bro. What? Where my admin at? Have you heard about prop firm funding pips? Possibly. I mean, I only use TopStep, and the only ones I'm going to use is TopStep, maybe Apex, Alpha, My Funding Features. That's it. That's the only ones I use. All right. I like how we're gonna come higher on ES, make an SMT, no doubt. We're gonna come higher than NQ, or like water. Yo, when you see the monthly plan thing, bro, keep in mind you shouldn't be on a funded for more than a month. You really shouldn't, bro. Like, if you are, then it's like just because you should be scaling a decent amount, right? You should be scaling a decent amount on your fundeds, your evals. Yeah, bro. Well, after a month, it's gonna reset. It's gonna reset after a month anyway, so you might as well just get a new account, bro, or just like scale. I mean, unless like, well, and I'm learning this, like I'm telling you guys this from past experience. I was trading on micros on the eval when I first got my prop firm, bro. Someone had to tell me that was not the move. Okay, so we have no SMT in play at all. That might be a higher time frame SMT. And you might want to rip past these highs. I think we're taking out Asia highs. I genuinely think we're taking out Asia highs and making an SMT. We could possibly have changed the state here on the 2-minute on ES, and NQ could lag behind it, going down to this imbalance. Empty, that big spike up on NQ, was there a way to predict that, or was it just unpredictable? Well, it's all manipulation, right? This is all manipulation for shorts. If we see we have price accumulating, right? We see we have relative buy side, relative sell side. That's all liquidity, right? And now, especially since all this chop, we built so much liquidity that now we have to manipulate a lot of retail buyers, right? Especially if this is like a higher time frame move, because what we're doing is continuing lower, right? To fill this gap, to continue the bearish trend, right? So we kind of can predict it in a way, because this is just manipulation, and then predicting, I guess, the leg of distribution next. You should start doing these streams on YouTube. I don't know. I kind of like it in the Discord. I feel like YouTube is too open to people. You know, like at least y'all can do in return is join the Discord. You know, that's at least, bro. Not even making anyone pay for this. All right. Oh yeah, with you guys talking about demo accounts. Yeah, so demo accounts, bro, you treat it like a realistic account, right? Treat it like an actual, like, funded. Don't be risking 50 to 100K per trade, bro. What are you doing? Yeah, like Ko said, 1 to 2% of your account you should be risking. Not gonna lie, we're actually like, this is looking calm. ES is chopping like crazy, but if we can displace past this low, that would be nice. Yo, if we can displace past this low, bro, come into a continuation confluence, that would send it. I don't know about y'all, but that would send it. And then if we take out this, bro, if we break past these, that would look nice. Like, it's probable, very probable. We have equal lows around right here, so kind of looking right there. Maybe if we can displace past that, come back higher into some type of confluence, there's potential. There is potential right here. This might be a trade I have to take on my phone though, if I do take it, because I do have to start getting to class and like soon. Or this can be like another fake out too. This is possible. I'll just go back to this SMT, bro. There ain't no point. Oh, of course, academic orientation, 10 for, oh my goodness. My boy said, okay, the video might go crazy this week, possibly. Alright, we gotta remember that we're also inversing a fair value gap right here on both of these indexes. We have internal liquidity on the 5-minute that we might be coming towards on NQ, and after that we have these equal lows. We took out this buy side already, so I'm gonna unmark that. We already have a gap that would be here, so we can consider that already an inverse, because if we inverse this gap, right, come back into it, retrace, could be nice. Like, a lot of trading is all in the mind, all about like hypotheticals, but like man, but if we come higher past this change of state, I already told you guys, then that's my day, and it's 100% okay. That's all about what it is. Fine, peace in the chaos, light in the dark. We just took out this internal. 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 We I might get a bike, guys, because walking 20 minutes is low-key crazy. It really is. The crazy thing is that this is not overextended either. Retrieves perfectly off this 5-minute order block on NQ. Looks like ES is leading. I'm still committed to shorts right now. If we can get a change in state, bro, that would look nice. Look, change in state, retrace action. No, I'm saying that would look nice. And then I would enter in the trade. I'll watch like half of it play out, and then I have to get on my phone. Bro, we low key. I gotta take out this trash, bro. It's piling. I mean, our room's low key not that bad. I thought like my roommates would be low key messy because I like to keep my stuff pretty tidy. But they're pretty calm, pretty chill. Like, my roommates themselves are chill. I guess they don't live like they're not dirty. I respect that. But this guy, this guy's fan. He gotta clean his fan. Cause his fan's like blowing dust everywhere. I woke up, my whole setup was dusty. I look, he might have to skip orientation. I'm gonna start that screen share on my phone. I see your text, Chris. Oh, look at that displacement. I'm getting excited about displacement, bro. I'm such a nerd. Okay. Alright, we displaced past we have a valid change of state. Valid change of state, which means our order block is valid, right? So I'm gonna look for an entry around this order block. If we respect this like that, then that would be nice. But we do have a little bit internal liquidity that we might want to take out. Again, waiting for a decent setup. ES is looking like it wants to take out this internal as well. Just saying. But then, I really don't know. On ES. ES is looking like it got hit by a train. This is good displacement though. Yeah, we just fill? Oh, I don't like how we filled a 5-minute here. I don't like that. News came in around. I think we have more news at 10:30. It's like yellow food. No, it's not till 2:30. I'm pretty sure. I like this. This would be a valid entry. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm not going to enter yet, but it's just bad because I gotta stop hesitating on my entries. Oh. Alright. Do we want to take out any more liquidity? Do we want to take out these? We already took out those highs. Yeah, ES is leading. I'm gonna enter in like probably 2 contracts. 1 and Q.
Order filled.
And stops up here. And then if we get cooked, we get cooked, bro. That's the game of trading. I feel like we already took out what we needed to take out. We have valid change in state direction, valid AMD structure. We tapped on the hourly for a value gap, filled it, tapped upon another gap here. Internal liquidity that we could possibly sweep and come lower from. Yeah. Pretty late to the trading day. Yeah, boys. Yeah, we might want to take out this 1-minute internal. Even though we have got this 2-minute order block. Completely inverse this. Yeah, we might be coming higher to test this again, to test change in state. I feel like that would be the only thing that invalidates this play if we come higher to test high time frame change in state. Shit. ES already tested it and disrespected it, which I like that. But Got 1 minute. Y'all coming out. We're out. Say it. Just say order filled, bro. Like, bro, if you want to stop me at the trade, stop me at the trade, bro. Yo, chat's just making me laugh, bro. But even if it does get stopped out, like we get stopped out, bro. There's no changing that. We did take out 1 minute internal. I like that we took out 1 minute internal. Cause I was kind of looking for that. Bro. Yo, chat just, it's funny, bro. But. Yeah, we have. Oh, I mean, I guess a doji would be helpful in our case scenario right now. If we do this place again, then that would be really nice. That's what we're looking for. We can take out this low. But really, if we displace from here, that would invalidate this 5 minute IFVG. But really, the one thing that would invalidate this trade is if we had a change in state of direction. Like if we wanted to test higher time frame, change the state of direction on NQ. But we already did that with ES. So if ES can also displace past these lows, if ES displays past these lows, then that's like ball game. But if ES displays past these lows and then NQ displays past these, that would be like chef's kiss. Gosh, why did I keep clicking that? So keep lower time frame swing high. Yeah, I think we might want to create like a swing high and come higher. I'm not gonna lie, guys. But like ES is leading right now. Yeah, might be. Yeah, that might be wraps. Might as well, bro. My shoes on and shit. don't even know just like what are we doing. Okay, so that's just great. We're forming buy side again. We're going to take that out. Might just call this a freaking swing play. What am I about to do? Yeah, we're getting stopped, bro.
Order filled.
Yeah, bad marking conditions, bro. Really is. Really shouldn't even. But I still think we're gonna end up going lower. But I'm done for the day. I gotta get to class anyways. Your boy's about to get late if I wait any longer. But GG's, come back tomorrow. Again, this was on the eval. So P&L down 993 on the day on the eval, which is fine. We got another day to trade, so I'll see y'all. I'll post this recap, and yeah, tomorrow we got another trading day tomorrow. So yeah, but God bless you all. Have a great day.